Americans want an electoral system that makes voting easy for eligible voters, but also protects our elections against ineligible votes. This has led the GOP to focus on voter fraud and the Democratic Party to focus on voter access and voter suppression. Thus far, however, evidence suggests that neither of these issues have affected the outcome of recent presidential elections. And the research also indicates that there's almost no difference in voter turnout whether a state has looser voting laws or stricter voting laws. Want to learn more from election experts from both sides of the aisle? Check out Evidence versus Hyperbole.